me go and just take fire now. Put out the fire, make the space get higher. Now it seems like the youth, them start kill the fire. Right away the fire, put up the look in the fire now.